Welcome to my channel. I am Moses. Today we are going to open our Tally program. Did you notice that sometimes when your if your program is new, did you not see that there are some voucher types which are missing? Today we are going to learn about how to make them active. Like now, for now, I have one challenge. If I go to accounting vouchers, I need a voucher type called credit note. As you can see here, this voucher is not active. The credit note is not active, even the debit note is not active. So today we are going to learn about how to make them active. How to do that, you go to configure. Okay, now you don't go to configure, you go to features, you press F2 for inventory. Okay, now here we are going to try and enable most of these ones. Like for example, allow zero value D entries. Okay, if we leave this one to no, our credit note voucher will get a problem. So we have to change this to yes. Press enter. Okay, use maintain batch wise details. That one we can leave it. Even this one we can leave it. Allow purchase order processing, we need it because that is also a type of a voucher. That is also a voucher type. Allow sales order processing, even we need that one. That is another hidden voucher type. Press enter. Use debit note or credit notes. Yes, we need it. You can simply just press Y and enter. It will just autofill. Use invoice mode for credit note. Yes, you can turn that one on. Use invoice mode for debit notes. You can turn that one to yes. You can just leave that one. We'll leave that one. We'll leave that one. Okay, we can just turn on this one. We need it. We also turn this one. Use rejection stroke inward note. Rejection inward stroke outward notes. We need it. Accept. As you can see here, there are some new voucher type which we have added. We have added credit note and debit note. Thank you guys. That is how to turn on the hidden vouchers which are not active. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing to my channel, that is the best way you can support me. Thank you. Bye bye.